Hi, it's Lynette here, and I have my big bag of cleaning and household empties. So I haven't done one of these for a wee while. I've just been building up the items. So what I'll do is, what I usually do is go through them one by one, and if there's anything to tell you about, I'll tell you about them. Otherwise, I'll just say this is what I've used. So first thing here is a new product for me. A new range, not a new product. Surf Inspired by Nature Coconut Splash with Essential Oils. That was really nice. I think I picked that up from my cherries haul. Yeah, it would definitely be repurchasing this. And I get this all the time. It's a family pack 42 wash, the Almat Bio laundry liquid from Aldi. This stuff's absolutely fantastic. Yep, it lasts a long time as well. So I really do like mixing up my my washing powders and my soap powders and things, trying new things. Here's another one here, Astonish Non-Bio 2-in-1 liquid, super concentrate, and that was tropical papaya and passion fruit. So that had a really, really nice smell as well. And these kind of brands are cruelty free and vegan as well. So a lot of products you'd be quite surprised to hear use animal kind of fats and things through them. So I wondered how a washing liquid could be vegan, and that's why. So you need to be careful if that's something that you're kind of interested in. So it will definitely say it on the back if it's cruelty free. So the cheaper brands tend to be, which is fantastic. So Aldi, the Astonish are cruelty free as well. I can't see anything on the back of the Surf though. So who knows what's in this. And yeah, I think all the I don't actually think that the instructions aren't British anyway, so I couldn't read it even if I tried. I don't know what language that is. So yeah, you couldn't even check what's in that because the instructions in that, maybe that's why it's cheap. Anyway, the next one is just regular boring, zero alcohol, Colgate Plaques Soft Mint. Now, a lot of mouthwashes have alcohol in them. I think that can be quite drying to your mouth as well. So when it's got a zero alcohol, that's quite good. However, my own dentist, when I mentioned it, wasn't really concerned. So I just pick up which one I like now. Oh, this is going to be in all the time. Sillet Bang, Bleach and Hygiene, absolutely brilliant. If you've got anything, so for me, my dish rack in the kitchen, it's all little grooves, and this is really good. I use this kind of once a week on it and let it steep, and it gets rid of any wee marks and bits and pieces. So that's good. Use it for everything in the house. Just be careful where you're using it, because it is obviously bleach. Another Almat Bio, yep, I do get through this stuff. There's 4 of us in the house, there's lots of towels, lots of bedding, so we do, lots of clothes, so we do kind of get through quite a lot of washing and washing products. So this was the pink stuff, which is Star Drops. It's Miracle Toilet Cleaner, it's vegan, thick cleaning gel, removes stains and lime scale. There we go. That was nice. I usually put bleach around the toilet once a week, but I would do this kind of in between as well. Don't like putting bleach down the I just wouldn't do it every day, just not for me. And plus I can't stand the smell of bleach, but I do it once a week, and then I would use a toilet cleaner in between if I wanted to keep it kind of nice. Colour absorbers, I use these all the time. You know what I'm like with my washing. Got my red and my orange, my green and my blue, and if there's a stripy top, it just drives me crazy. So yeah, I love these colour catchers. And actually, it was last week I had a new pair of trousers on. They were a kind of plummy colour, and the dye that came out them was unbelievable, but it was all caught up in the colour catcher, and the wash was fine, so I was glad I used that. My Mr. Muscle Advanced Power Bathroom, tough on soap, scum and grime, 100% recycled plastic. Well, that's really good. This bottle is made of 100% recycled plastic. I think that's fantastic, and I wish more brands would do that. So there we go. So it's going in the recycling bin, which you could probably say, well, it's better off if you had one of these products that you can reuse, or rather than putting the plastic in the bin. The fact it's made from a recycled plastic is really good. However, I am going to be looking at the brands that just give you the little capsules that you pop into the bottles. I am going to be looking into them for the new year. So Antonia gave me a couple of links for some of those, so I will be trying them out. Just trying to reduce the plastic waste in the house. And the same with kind of like, you know, I'm probably going to try and switch to something that doesn't have any packaging to do with like washes and things. So hopefully my plastic use is really reduced, and I'm hardly going to be bringing you these videos because I've got so little to show you. That's the plan. Anyway, so this is the Lakura Extra Hygiene hand wash. It actually says for kids, but kills 99.9% of bacteria. Strawberry splash. So I do use hand soap in my bathrooms, but I do keep hand soap in the downstairs loo and by the kitchen sink. So sometimes you just want to come in and if your hands are really dirty, I don't want to touch a bar of soap, so I will just use this. But this has lasted for ages because we do tend to use the soap in the bathrooms. And here is a soap that I've just opened, the Imperial Leather Luscious Pink Lemonade Sweet Treat Soap. That's a really nice pink bar of soap here. It's got a really lovely smell to it, and it's not one, some soaps I find get really all kind of claggy in the soap dish, which really freaks me out. I had one recently that I was constantly kind of cleaning the soap dish because it was like leaking like colour. It was weird. What's this? Whitford & Co. Raspberry Ripple Scented Tea Lights. So these were lovely. However, I've recently had to bin some of these Whitford. I think it's just been a faulty batch. They just were not burning. You know, it wasn't even melting the candle. So I don't know what was going on, but I do usually like the Whitford tea lights. I've got more candles here. Oh, number 1, lime, basil and mandarin. The hotel collection from Lidl. They're dupes, aren't they? I think for Jo Malone, but that had a lovely smell. And the glass is recyclable, which is good. Oh, elbow grease. We use this for the cooker and things. It's absolutely brilliant. Removes grease and oil in all situations. So yeah, you can use it on fabrics as well, but I would do a test before on a kind of spot that nobody could see. But I mainly use this on the cooker. That's fantastic. It's great for things like the top of the cupboards and things. However, my Sillet Bang is the best for that. Just does it in minutes. I have a happy birthday candle. It says happy birthday and many happy returns. These candles are absolutely gorgeous. It says here it's made in the heart of Somerset. So there we go, happy birthday. Made in the heart of Somerset, will burn for 30 to 35 hours. So yeah, this is lilyflame.co.uk. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I've got a couple of these and I really do like burning them. Oh, this was the soap, right? So I picked this up from Home Bargains. So I normally love these pop soaps. So this was apple cinnamon handmade glycerin soap slice, right? Vegan friendly. There you go. However, it was kind of red and orange, but the orangey bit, it was like the colour kept running into the soap dish. I've never had that with any of the other soaps, but it was like, you know when you're cooking chorizo, and the fat comes like that kind of orangey colour. That's what it reminded me of, so it kind of put me off a bit. But that was in the main bathroom because Brandon loves cinnamon. This is, oh, this was Forever Friends, always there for you. One of these Lily Flame candles as well. Oh, there we go, it's just telling me my power is running out on my phone. There we go, I'm nearly finished though. Oh, Wax Lyrical, I think it was Bryony that told me about this brand for the reed diffusers. So this was a refill I just used on some of the things that I had around the house. Sicilian lemon verbena. It smells absolutely lovely. However, I'm loving the cherry blossom one. So I finished this one. It's in the diffusers that are in the house, but the cherry blossom one is amazing. But this is nice and fresh. Oh, Pink Grapefruit and Mango Reed Diffuser Refill by Linea. Oh, this is one of my favourites. There you go. It's like, it was £18 a bottle. However, when they used to have it on a sale in Fraser's, that's when you would pick it up. But my friend's husband actually made one. he actually made his own kind of refill for this, and it smelled really, really similar. So she passed me one round because she knows that I liked it. But every time I went into her house, I would smell this, and it just reminded me of going to her house. So that's absolutely lovely. Again, because I think Fraser's close, I don't know where you would get them from. Oh, this is a 25-hour Ikea candle. Can't even remember what fragrance it was, but it was pink. Sinlig. They're cheap as chips. There you go, probably like £1 odds, and glass is really recyclable. What I'll probably do with these candles is just put some boiling water in so I can get rid of any remaining wax and the kind of metally bit at the bottom. So you put the boiling water in, the wax rises, and then you can take it off and put it in the bin. So don't ever put your boiling water in and chuck it down the sink, because you will block your drains and you will pay a fortune on a plumber. So yeah, that's what I do. Put the boiling water in, let the wax rise, and pick the wax off, and that way it just goes into the recycling with nothing there. This is a Eucalyptus and Geranium Oil. It's an essential oil, so I've been using that. It smells absolutely lovely. And what do I have here? Number 3, pomegranate. Yeah, that's lovely. Stephen's got the pomegranate noir. I think that's the aftershave or fragrance or whatever you call it that he wears, but that's lovely. And last but not least, this is Tropical Sunset from Aldi. So I will probably keep this Reed diffuser, I think, and pop it in one of the bedrooms with the kind of the rest of the cherry blossom that will definitely be picking up more of. So that was my empties. If there's anything you kind of, if you like seeing these videos, thank you for watching. I know they're not my most popular videos, but I've got a few of yous that actually like to watch them. I know Ashley Snuggles does, and I know Joe likes them, and Tracy, and there's a few people that'll kind of say, oh, keep doing your cleaning and household empties. So I do that, and it's quite good because it makes me try and think about trying different products, so I'm not showing you the same thing. And you'll probably notice I've stopped putting the bleach in because, you know, it's the same bottle of bleach from Aldi. So I just pop that straight in the recycling. As I say, I only use that once a week. I just don't believe in putting too much bleach kind of around your toilet. It's just once a week's fine. So yeah, that's my empties, and I'll catch up with you soon. See you later. Bye guys.